How do microwave ovens cook food? You're late for school. Pop a toaster cake in the microwave, push some buttons, and within seconds you can have a fast and easy breakfast. Microwave ovens can heat food in seconds and cook meals in minutes. Inside the microwave is a special tube called a magnetron that changes electricity into high-frequency microwaves. Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic energy. Microwaves cause water and food molecules to vibrate very quickly. This creates a friction that produces heat, which can cook or warm up food fast. Why do people microwave sponges? Heating a sponge in a microwave for 2 minutes can kill the bacteria that can settle on the sponge. Why can't I use a metal container in a microwave? Microwaves can heat the metal to the point where it can cause fire or produce harmful gases. The first microwave oven went on sale in 1967.